The bowling team for Wakeland High School has struck their way to regionals. They faced 8 other teams in 8 different Baker-style games. Although they didn't make it to state, they accomplished one goal. They made it to regionals. Zach Mullen, the captain of the bowling team and bowling enthusiast, has made his way to the singles format of the tournament, walking in the building.
Overall, I feel like the team did pretty good. We closed most of the frames, but I feel like there's definitely a lot of room for improvement. And next season, I feel like we'll do a lot better.
Well, I got mostly close frames, some strikes, some spares, but I feel like I could have worked more on my spares.
In these Baker games, each player got 2 frames to bowl in, doing their best to help their team. Zach Mullen, however, faced multiple other players from many schools in his singles format, where he ended up placing 8th in the whole entire tournament.
During the tournament, I feel like I personally did pretty well. I mean, I got mostly spares, like not as many strikes as I wanted to get, but I mean, I got them mostly when I needed them, so I mean, I feel like I did pretty good.
Although the team ended up placing last in the tournament, the team said that they were planning to keep getting better and making it back to regionals next year. I'm Caleb Stovall for Win TV.